अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूवर्स, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे द प्ले विद इन द प्ले इन हैमलेट। द टर्म प्ले विद इन द प्ले was first introduced by Thomas Scared in a Spanish tragedy in 1589, a play that is being performed in the enclosure of another play. Play within a play is a very short play acted in a play for developing and revealing something hidden. The Murder of Gonzago is a play within the play in Hamlet. It is a very significant in this play because it contributes to the development of action. Scene 2, Hamlet includes the plan of staging a play, The Murder of Gonzalo. He invites the king and queen to enjoy it. Hamlet wanted to make sure that the ghost of his father was no devil. Hamlet wants to stage a play containing a scene in which a villain will murder his brother and marry. वो पूरा एक ना प्लान बनाता है कि पूरी एक परफॉर्मेंस दिखाता है कि किस तरह से एक चाचा ने अपने भाई को मारा, तो उसमें वो देखना चाहता है कि उसके चाचा के क्या एक्सप्रेशन होंगे. द विडो ऑफ हिज डेड ब्रदर. According to Hamlet, Claudius, after seeing this scene, will reveal whether he is actually murderer or not. If Claudius is the murderer of the old king, then he will upset to see the play. वो थोड़ा उसके फेस के एक्सप्रेशन चेंज हो जाएगी अगर वो मर्डरर हुआ. Hamlet says the play, the thinking, I will catch the murderer of the king. Scene 2, Hamlet asks Horatio to the king face in a course of performance. At last वो कहते हैं उसको कि तुमने ना इसके फेस के एक्सप्रेशन देखने हैं कैसे बनते हैं. At last Claudius leave the play instead of stopping it. क्लाउडियस जो है जब वो सीन आता है तो प्ले को ही छोड़ के चला जाता है, तो सबको पता चल जाता है कि इसी ने ही जो है मर्डर किया. एट फर्स्ट देयर इज़ अ डंप शो. द स्टोरी ऑफ द डंप शो क्लोजली कीप इन टच टू द स्टोरी टोल्ड बाय गोस्ट. इट शोज अ लविंग किंग मेकिंग लव विद हिज वाइफ. व्हेन द किंग asleep, another man comes and pours poison in the eye of the sleeping king. The king dies. Another man proposes the queen, who almost accepts his love. However, the dump show doesn't disturb the king. After the dump show, the actual play is staged. There is long conversation between the player king and queen. The player king says that after his death, the queen should have a second husband, but the queen said that she will remain widow. After that, the nephew entered and pours poison into the ears of the sleeping king, namely Gonzago. Claudius watches for a second. A few seconds, Claudius rises from his seat and gone. Observing Claudius' reaction to the play, now Hamlet is know that he is the murderer of his father. Now he wants to fake revenge upon Claudius. In the last, we may say that significant of the play within the play is Hamlet in really praiseworthy. It is used as a trap to catch the real murderer of Hamlet's father. तो इस तरह उसको पता चल जाता है कि रियल मर्डर जो है वो क्लाउडियस ही है. सो आई एम डन दिस वीडियो. नेक्स्ट वीडियो तक मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त. सी यू सून.